How to get Apple Music student subscription. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Apple Music student subscription. Now without further ado, let's get started. So Apple Music offers a massive student discount where you can get all the benefits of full Apple Music plan but 50% off. Yep, that's right. Just $1.99 for a month of unlimited music, playlist, and even exclusive content. Now, to do that, simply start by opening the Apple Music app. Once you have opened the Apple Music app, simply tap on See All Plans option. And when you are signing up, you'll see multiple subscription options. As you can see in the screen, the individual plan make us to pay around $3.29 a month for a music, but in the student subscription, you will only pay $1.99 per month. Just tap on it and select Verify Student Status. And after that, you'll be prompted to the page where you need to fill up your student information. So just create one using your student email and upload your proof of enrollment. This part is super easy. And once you are verified, you need to add your payment method. Simply complete this process as prompted, and after that, you are all set. Now you can enjoy Apple Music with a student discount, getting access to millions of songs, curated playlists, and even exclusive content. And that's it for the video. With this, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.